In this video, you will learn how to connect Shopify to N8N. Set up a Shopify app. In your Shopify admin, go to Settings, Apps and Sales Channel, then Develop Apps. Create a custom app and assign a scope like Read Orders, Write Orders, Read Products or Write Products. Install the app to generate credentials. Get access token and secret. From the custom app credential section, copy the admin API access token and the API secret key. These are needed for authenticate with N8N. Open N8N and add credential. In N8N, go to the credential section, create a new Shopify credential and enter your store subdomain, your access token and the app secret key. Test the connection. Use the test button in N8N to confirm the connection is always working. Add Shopify node to workflow. In an existing or new workflow, add a Shopify or Shopify trigger node to choose this credential that you when it is created. Configure the node. Select the operation you want, such as get all orders or create a product, or fill out the requirement fields. Activate the workflow. Save and activate your workflow. It will now run based on the triggers you carry out, automated by Shopify actions. Now you know how to connect Shopify to N8N. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.